So welcome back everyone. This is day 2 of C programming tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to discuss about IDE, whose full form is Integrated Development Environment. So let's move on to today's agenda. So today we will be discussing about compiler, text editor, IDE, and at the last I will be writing and running a C program. Alright, so let's go. So before we discuss about compiling and all, just think about why we are requiring compiling. So I'm just going to cast a scenario out here, that you are a programmer and you have written a program which performs sum of two operation. All right, so you have created up the logic and you have written up the program, and it is available in a source file. But in order to get the output from the output of the program, you need to compile that source file. So what that mean? What the word compile mean? So compiling is a process in which your source file gets converted into machine level language, so that the computer can understand that the logic what you have written. Because what the compiler do is that it converts your logic, that is the source file, into machine level language that is in 0 and 1, and the computer understands 0 and 1, that is machine level language, and this whole process is called compiling, and this is done with the help of compiler. All right, now next thing which we will be discussing is text editor. So text editor is a place where we write down our program. All right, and the file containing our program is called source file. And since we are writing C program, so we save our program as a source file with .c extension. It's very important to save our file with .c extension. If you will be writing C++ program, the extension will be .c++. Alright, now the next thing which we will be discussing about is IDE. So IDE is the combination of text editor and the compiler, and since we will be writing our program in text editor, and it will get compiled with the help of the compiler which is available in the IDE itself. So I think that the difference between compiler, IDE and the text editor is clear, and this is what I wanted to discuss in this video. So once again, text editor is the place where we write down our program. Compiler is something which translate our source file into machine level language so that computer can understand it, and IDE is the combination of both compiler as well as the text editor. Now the next thing which we will be doing is that we will be writing and running a C program, so that you get an idea of how to save file with C extension and how the compiler works and all. So let's go to C++, basically dev C++, which is an IDE. So let's go. Okay, so I'm in dev C++, and I will be writing a program which will print hello world as an output. So let's start. I will be starting my program with comment, because since we discussed about the comment in the last video, that is the first video of the series, and if you don't know about the comment, please watch that video. All right, and it's very important because it improves the readability of the program. All right, so let's go. Program to print hello world. All right, include. I will not be discussing this line right now because this will make this video a little long. I will be discussing each and every line of this program in the next video. Okay, and so till now just watch out what the process, like how to save and all. And return 0. Okay, now watch out very carefully how to save that file. Okay, now save as, click on save as, and give the name like hello world, and make sure to save the file as .c extension, since we are writing C programs. So save as a .c extension file. Now in order to get the output of this program, we need to compile it. That's what the compiler work. That's how the compile, it will give you the output. So the output is hello world, which we are supposed to get. So we have discussed about the compiler, that is it converts your source file into machine level language so that computer can understand it. We have also discussed about the text editor, It is a place where we write down our program, and IDE is the combination of both compiler and the text editor. And at the last, we have also written a C program and also learned how to save that file and learn to compile that program to get the output. In the next video, I will be discussing each and every line of that program which we have written. And thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give like and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will be coming up with videos every day in order to complete this series as soon as possible. Till then, thank you for watching this video once again.